Check, check, check. Ah, there we have the microphone. Okay. I kind of abruptly left chat, I think, last time because I had a burger and I was like ready to eat. So, but there was nobody watching. So I kind of hashed out a few things with ChatGPT, and we're going to try a few things. The number one thing is going to be so far the tutorial system. So let's see if we can get that going. So let's look. I talked about the tutorial system last. So it had some code here for me already. Okay. So we want to show the tutorial system if show space or show planet. Okay. Or wait, actually, since we're going to do it in show space, because I was just thinking, because this code that it gave me is basic controls, thrust forward, move backward. There's different controls for the, let's see what this looks like. So let's put it into show space, do show space. So let's just go into do show space, I guess. We already do have this, show credits. So let's put it what is that? Oh, okay. Oh, I see. I know, that was messy. It's a messy global. Okay, so we got that. So wait a minute, since we're actually doing this, just a second. Inside the do show space, we have a couple of GUI things going on. Show credits is a GUI thing, I believe. Where's that? Show credits. So it does this here. So main window size, display size. See, all this stuff needs to be... So I'm thinking this ImGUI initialization, because we don't want to do that again. What's up, Jay Fresh? How you doing? It's super hot where I live. It's super hot, dude. Get me out of here. How you doing? It is quite warm.
Jay Fresh 401 Gaming said, that sucks.
Yes, actually, you know what I'm going to do? I'll be right back. I'm going to grab an ice cube from the fridge. Big old block of ice. Got that right there. And that's nothing. We didn't even get a warning today. There's a warning in place for tomorrow. From noon tomorrow. I'm gonna roast. I should just go down to the beach, but I want to work on my game. I want to work on my game. So anyways, yeah. How you doing? Okay, so I'm thinking... Well, with these two...
Said, how's it going today?
Fifth, how are you? It's super hot where I live, dude. It's so hot. It's roasting. This is the hottest part of the day, though, so after this it's going to be cooler. And I live on kind of the...
Gaming said, I've got a pool. So when it's hot, I run out and hop in. Then come and work on my game.
Cool, let me borrow that.
Said, I did nothing today.
I did nothing today. That was me yesterday, although I did do... tried to play Cosmeteer and I was drunk. I had 3 rounds of drinking. 3 rounds of drinking. It was crazy. So, yeah. So, okay, let's see. So we got the show tutorial window here. And then it takes a boolean, pointer to a boolean. So this should run... You know what I can do? Inside the... Okay, hold on. So show credits. I don't like doing that, though. As it is, I'm running this do show space. Okay, so let's... show credits. So basically, I would put it in like right here. Well, I know what this looks like. Credits, minerals, ice, and I need more. I need to show just all of the inventory of the player. shoot, I think I need more coffee. I've got the ice cube. That feels really great. In fact, I'm going to put it right in front of me here. It's one of these big old blocks of ice that they put in when they try to send you food through the mail. Oh, it feels so good. Alright. That will help. Okay, so... So I know I need to work on this too. We could loop through the... We could... Render draw data. Okay, so... I didn't think that I would run across this issue. Show tutorial window. So why don't we just do this for now? To do, remove this from here. And then we'll call, what's the name of that function? Show tutorial window. Gotcha. So show tutorial window. Okay. Send in the boolean. I just made the boolean too. Show tutorial. Okay. And when we send that in, we have to send in the address of, because it wants a, okay, there we go. Alright, what else does the oracle say? What does it say? Bum, bum. So we start this new frame, render data, okay. Show the tutorial window if needed. Other ImGUI windows and game UI. If show tutorial. Oh. Wait. I didn't do that. Hold on. There we go. Is that good? Okay. It did the fancy thing with the squigglies, but we're good. Let's see what that does. So maybe I could loop through all of the player's inventory and display it too. See, like right up here. Oh, here we go. Welcome to the tutorial basic controls. Okay, that looks good. Dismiss. Oh, nice. So if I start the game back up, does it remember that? Oh, it doesn't. That's awesome. Okay. We could set it so that it does, but... Okay, so let's make the text a little bit bigger. Let's make the text a little bit bigger. Show credits. Push font. Let's keep the same font. Foop. Right there. Let's see if that'll keep the... Oh wait, no, stop. Yep, alright. Never mind. I just saw that's not gonna do what I want. Peter. Okay. Same size. Alright, this one. End the ImGUI frame. Should we put the end after the stuff there, or? I don't know. Okay, what in the world? Computer? ImGUI, so messed up. So messed up. Show tutorial window. Dun, 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 dun. Bum, ba, 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 bum, ba, ba, bum, ba, 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 bum, ba, ba, bum. So set next window position. Okay, so I think what we need to do is bring that one because that obviously doesn't affect it. I think that was after the end. Doesn't matter. I don't know. Okay, so show tutorial window. Then we want to just copy this in because it comes after the begin up there. So I think it has to be. I'm so lost. I'm so lost. Okay, begin. Right there. Okay. Copy that right before the end. We'll go back to 1.0. Yeah, that looks better. It's readable. Welcome to the tutorial. Basic controls. Thrust forward, move backward, space to stop, mouse control to ship rotation. Okay, and then the player can dismiss that. Okay. That's pretty cool. Oh, so let's add one, sorry, let's go back here. Let's do one for the planet when you land on the planet. Show tutorial window space. Okay, and then we're going to want one for the planet. Okay, so where are we at? Do show planet. Oh, okay, that's pretty easy. Show tutorial window space. So wait, so in do show space, we had the benefit of all that other ImGUI stuff. So I think we need to copy the do show terrain GUI. Oh, it's right here. I don't see the begin on this one, but it's all good. Okay, so let's copy that. And now let's go to the show credits, show tutorial window, space. Okay. So we're just going to take that and pop it into the thing. I know that's a mess. Hold on. Hold on. It's going to get a little messier before we start the dear ImGUI frame. Okay, so let's go like this. Okay, begin tutorial. Just call it tutorial 2. There, let's go like that. Okay. That's fine. Throws forward. Okay, we'll fix those in a second. Start the dear ImGUI frame. Take that out of the mess that it's in. There. Okay, and then after the end, we don't need this, this, and this. We already have the end called, so we'll pop the font and do that. That right there. Okay, so what are the voxel planet controls? W, it's like move, is like walk forward. WSAD, A I guess does actually do something, so does D. Then we got X and Z. There we go. Okay, and then this, we'll just say move left. Ba-bum, and move right. There we go. So does that, I think that does it. Move left and right, up and down. I think, so when we're on the planet, what do we do? Where's process input here? What was that? Okay. WSAD, okay, X and Z space. I don't think that works on the planet because you just let go, it stops moving. Tab locks the camera. Okay, that's good. Oh yeah, F and V switch between full screen and windowed mode. Okay. Where was I at? Show tutorial space. Actually, let's just go like this. There, and then we'll include this one and the other one too. Where's the other one? This is planet. Okay, so we can use tab. How do you just locks? That's too long. Locks. Let's just say locks Y. What was the other one? So we can take that out. go back to process input. That was really good. F and V tab. Okay, G. Oh, okay. G shows space. G would be back to space. B would be land on the planet. Okay. And in both of them we want show crafting. And then on show planet, 5 shows the terrain slider. 6, okay. Okay. GBH56. Let's remember that. Remember that. GBH56. GBH56. So planet, 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 planet. GBH56. Okay. Comment that out. Okay, so GB. So when you're on the planet, you want to hit G to get back to space. And H will show inventory crafting. 5 and 6. Okay. Okay, GBH. Wait, B is the other one, so that's fine. So let's go like this. We're going to take this one, and we're going to go back to show tutorial space. Okay, because we want to put that one in there. Then we also want to put in G. Or is it B? B takes you down to the planet. Okay, did I do the other one right? Yeah, beam me up. G goes back up. B is beam down, beam up. Okay. And then that. So do we have the full screen and windowed? Because that's on both of them. Space, whoops. Yeah, okay. Alright, let's see what that looks like. Wait, did I do that right? Am I even using the show? Wait, what's going on? What's happening? Okay. So over there it shows all that stuff. Where's the beam down to planet? What did I do? What have I done? Oh, let's go to this one. Okay, so I didn't include it in the I didn't include it in the thing, so let's go into we want to go to do show planet and then render the blocks and then show tutorial window planet and show tutorial planet. And then the other one, yeah, hold on. Hold on. There we go. Okay, red squiggly. Anywhere? Anyone? Computer? Thank you. Okay, any other red squigglies? Did I put it in, did I put it in the thing? I put it in the thing. We'll see. We'll see. Oh, this ice cube feels so good. I recommend an ice cube. If it's hot outside, I recommend an ice cube. Okay, that looks good. Let's go to a planet. Nice. Look at that. Look at that. Whoa. Okay. Other than being in the same location of the train gen stuff. So let's move the, I like keeping the tutorial in the same spot. So let's move the terrain gen to another spot. The terrain gen, show terrain GUI. That's where we want to go. Do show terrain GUI. Slider float. So how do we control new chat? Ooh, that's cold. That is cold. Okay. Note that you can replace 200 with the actual width of your window, or you can compute it dynamically based on your needs. Setting window position to the top right corner. Is that it? So it's just these lines right here. I just have to insert those lines. New frame, push font, so literally right after this. So 200 is the window width. I don't know what the window width is, but we'll find out. Let's try 400 just to be safe. Excuse me. Oh, okay. Wait, what happened here? Is that just a really dark texture? That's a really dark texture. Okay, so that's fine. Okay, there was a blip over here for something, but yeah. And it's not working. Interesting. Bum, 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 bum. Was there something I was missing? Did it do it a little bit there? It did. Okay, so there's a different... create a new window or use ImGUI begin. Okay. Okay. And we've already got end in there. Do we need... Yeah, I took out the end before the pop font. Maybe that'll fix the weirdness? Bow, wow, 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 wow. Now it's not showing it. Oh wait, there it is. Okay. but it's showing a super small window. That's wild. Why? Why are you doing that? I think what's wrong is I'm not at a planet. But you're not supposed to be able to land on a planet until it lets you, until here. See, now it does have the, why is it so small? Terrain gen, what? Set window position to the top right corner. Oh, window size, window position? Oh. What was the window size before? It just automatically sized it. So let's go 400 by 250. Why not? Okay. There was a planet up there above the... I should have went back the other way. Here's a planet. Planet. There we go. That works. It could actually be a lot smaller. So we could just cut that easily in half. Okay. We're going to call that good. Yeah, I'd say that's pretty good for a basic tutorial system. We don't really have any objectives, but basic tutorial on how to move around, how to display inventory and craft items. Simple objectives along with a basic tutorial. Okay. So music and sound effects I thought was the next thing that I'd want to do, or some of these other things. Okay, so ChatGPT had some suggestions on that as well. Music and sound effects. Wah, 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 wah. SFML, I already have. Linking libraries, already have. Include headers. Do I have? I think I'm already set up for SFML, like all the way set up. I just have the music object commented out. So SFML audio is also commented out. Okay. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Mm. Okay, we got that one. So for music, there was a couple of other things I wanted to do as well. SFML makes it easy to play audio. Here's a small example. So that's it. Let's uncomment the audio. We can go down to the music object, because I've done this before and I just didn't do anything else with it. There's a whole bunch of options which are really cool, but so the main right here, excuse me, so we'll put this like right here. Open from file, path to songs. We're gonna go miscellaneous. It's called lines. Or wait, OGG? Okay, hold on. I think it had to be OGG, I don't remember. See if that works. And then it should just start to play it as soon as I run the game, so. Yeah, there it goes. Okay, and then it stops as soon as I stop. That's fine. And so the other thing that I wanted with this was okay, I can go with that. Check if the M key was pressed to toggle music. If music playing, stop music. Otherwise, oh. Why don't we have a key to turn it on and a key to turn it off? Debouncing is what it's called. Okay. Okay, cool. So let's go into process input for a second. Okay, just checking. Checking to see if anybody's there. So what are we going to use? Oh, so we can just put it right here. If keys, GLFW, key M, okay. There we go. Let's do that. If not is music playing, play music. Okay. Actually, this one here, wouldn't we want to just go music.play? Okay. And then we need another boolean here. Start out with true. Okay. Where was I at? So if keys, GLFW, key. What are we going with to stop the music? Comma? No. Hold on. Comma, there we go. That's fine. So if is music playing, then we're going to go is music playing equals false, and then here we go music pause. Will that do it? Let's see. M and comma. And we could just add that to the tutorials, both of them. Perfect. Okay, cool. That is really cool. So let's start it out. Let's see, music.play. In the meantime, we'll just start it out without that. But we will add to the tutorials.
Said, waving hand.
Hey, what's happening? Oh, Taras Mazepa.
Any on-screen music?
I just turned it off because I was actually putting the toggle for playing music in the game. But I can return the music. Absolutely. It's going to have to load here for a second, so I'll come right back. How you doing? How are you doing? It's so hot where I live right now. I got a block of ice right next to me. Got the fan going. You might hear the fan. Sorry about that, but it's going to stay on. Of course, I usually have the fan anyways.
Taras Mazepa said, that is fine. Don't need that music.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm gonna turn it back
Taras Mazepa said, where are you?
So let's go like this. I am in. Oh, I wonder if I can put just a comma. I am in the Pacific Northwest, like Seattle kind of area. There we go. And let's take this one and put it in the, see, that's the planet, so we want to put it in the show tutorial window space. There we go.
Terrace Wazapa said, I'm in Bay Area, California.
Oh, wow. I hope everything's alright. You guys had like a storm come through there. And I saw landslides and all kind of stuff on the news. Okay, music. Did that toggle it on? Where's the music?
Terrace Wazapa said, it is LA.
There it goes. There it goes. Oh, okay. Did you guys not get any of the...
Wazapa said, is this on screen game?
It is. Yeah, I've got the commands there. Yeah, give him a try. I need to put in some more stuff so that cool. I've added quite a few commands recently. I don't, but I will eventually for the bot, I think. I was thinking about adding a little bit more of the commands, putting it in like a demo mode, and then allowing the players to spawn NPCs that they can control and maneuver around the galaxy and stuff, which I think would be interesting. But I don't know if I'd be able to do that with like more than one player playing at the same time. It would be constantly focusing back and forth, I think. But I had thought about running it 24/7 like that one Idle World. It will be. Because I've made a real-time game before. And I definitely like that. Of course, I think that'll be an option where it'll account for the real time that you don't spend in the game. But then there could be another option where it doesn't do that, and it just only counts time passing while you're in the game. So that might be just an optional thing, but I definitely want to do both. Have an option for both. Stardust magnet, we need a transporter. There we go, now we got everything. So you can actually trade with me if you want, like in chat. Let me see here.
Terrace Mazapa said, and commands from chat will be controlling it. I think there is significant lag between screen video and commands you can put into the chat.
That's true, but eventually, you know, it'll still be fun to watch. See, like trade player 1. What do I have? 5. Let's go with 120 energy for 1 credits. Did that put it up here? Yep. So that puts the trade up here. Oh, I should do better colors for the trades. Better colors. And then as soon as the trade goes through, it shows what I've got there. So yeah. Okay, that's pretty cool. So mostly what I've been working on is this tutorial over here. And then also when you're on a planet here, there's a tutorial up there in the corner, and I moved the terrain generation over here. And I think this has got everything. Beam me up, Scotty. Okay. So the terrain gen, let's see. Uh-oh, this isn't working. It's not sliding. Oops. So does this one, what does this one do? Oh, and I can't click on that. Well, that would be a problem. So I wonder if I could have... Oh, that's going to be a problem. That's going to be a problem. So let's write that as a bug for now. I broke it. The terrain GUI and the tutorial in planet mode. And I think it's because of the mouse at that time. Because when I go to planet mode, when I do planet mode, do show planet, it's not there. It's see, the cursor gets disabled here, and that's what allows for the camera to move around in like the Minecraft kind of world. So that when I show the terrain slider right here, it show the planet, but it also, yeah. That is interesting. I wonder if I could have a way to just like pause the planet. Show terrain slider, normal, do show planet. Oh, it just doesn't do transforms.
Terrace Mazapa said, right now I'm thinking about making a small video game.
Nice. What language or engine or how would you do it? And what kind of game?
Terrace Mazapa said, I can't commit to anything yet.
Yeah, you don't have to commit, just say. Like, what are you thinking about? Like, what would you use? Dart? Oh, yeah, I think you told me that before. Cool. Sorry, I forget because I talk to so many different people on chat. I stream at different times, too, so... Like, I don't, Dart and Flutter, that'd be cool. Very cool. Show planet. So what happens again when I show the terrain slider? Let's go in here. Let's find a planet. Planet. Show me the planet. Show me the planet. There we go. Okay, so show the terrain slider. So then it doesn't do the transforms. And I can't click over here or on here or close that even. Okay. And I can't click on this. So, wonder what's happening then. So do show planet.
Terrace Mazapa said, highly recommend. It is cross-platform, web plus mobile plus desktop.
Oh, cool. Yeah.
Terrace Mazapa said, but I don't think it will do 3D.
Well, that's alright. So do show planet, do show terrain GUI. Oh, I see. This is the same thing that, okay, this is the same. This is what I was worried about with the credits and the other inventory thing. So that's why I did that for the, okay, my bad. Hold on. So do show terrain GUI. already implements this. So what we could do is down here, show tutorial window planet. So where did I call that? I think this one's pretty good.
Taras Mazeppa said, how do you commit to a specific variant of the feature for the game? Taras Mazeppa said, right now it is the hardest thing.
What do you mean? A specific variant of the feature? I'm not sure what you mean. Like, give an example, I guess. So let me see. Do show... Okay, so we need to do show window tutorial planet. We need to do this just the same way as the other one there. And then just include it in the thing.
Taras Mazeppa said, like, you want to make a game, and you have couple of options, and I don't know which one is better.
What are some of your other options that you're considering? Oh, here's the terrain GUI right here. So let's just... Actually, let's leave this stuff here, but let's comment this out. And then down here... Did I push font? Yeah, so let's take out the pop font. And then show tutorial window planet. Let's just put that up here. So let's call it right there. So when does this get called? Oh, that's a separate, okay. Wonder if that'll fix it. That might fix it. But it'll show it only when the terrain GUI is being shown.
Said, so I started with mini RPG, but then I downgraded to a Reigns-like game, because it is easier to make. So right now I'm thinking about different kinds of single-player card games.
Okay, so it only shows when the terrain GUI works. So I started with mini RPG, but then I downgraded to a Reigns-like game because it is easier to make. So right now I'm thinking about different kinds of single-player card games. Oh, that's cool. QH1, thanks for the follow, I think. Weird name. How are you?
Quality Ho once said, hello.
Hello. It really just boils down to what you feel comfortable developing in. Dart and Flutter or mini RPG. So do show terrain GUI. So the main thing is it shows that.
Quality Ho once said, first time watching a live coding. Quality Ho once said, what are you doing?
Oh, well, welcome. Yeah, I'm doing a C++ OpenGL video game. This is the 2D space that you fly around in, and then you go to these planets and you land on the planet and you get like a voxel world, kind of like Minecraft. Each world is different, and I'm still working out on. That looks interesting. I like how the colors. Why does it generate them like that, I wonder? I don't actually know why it did that, but that looks interesting. Yeah, and I've got some stuff so you can manipulate the terrain. That looks interesting.
Quality Ho once said, oh nice, the worlds are randomly generated every time.
Yes, and the randomness is with Perlin noise, which is kind of like Minecraft, where one seed determines how the rest of the world is going to look, which is interesting. It's a really weird concept. Ken Perlin created the concept way back in the days of the movie Tron, because he wanted an organic look, but he still wanted to use random numbers. So he created the Perlin noise so that it would do something like that. It's kind of weird. Okay, so what I want to do is Xanadu. What I want to do is draw the show tutorial window planet every time, and I only want to draw the other one when the other thing is I can check the game state in here. So show tutorial window planet. Let's do this. Let's do this. Show tutorial window planet. Whoops, leave that commented out. Okay. Okay. And then in here, what we want to do, we can do it right here, I guess. So if game state, I have access to that, right? Equals show terrain slider. Then we will do show terrain GUI, RT1 and RT2. So we just want that RT1 and RT2 to come through. So where does it call that? Right here. If game state equals show terrain slider. We don't need to worry about this then. So it's going to be inside do show planet. Space blocks. We can just pass those in. Okay, for the time being, we don't need this then. And then we want to pass this stuff into, oops, space blocks T1 and T2. Those are just floats. Uh-oh, I'm already lost. Don't get me lost. Where are we at? Where are we at? Where are we at? Do show during, okay, there's planet. Here. Okay, so right here we want to send in, I'm so confused right now. Send in these floats. Does that work? Yes. Okay. So that means right here we have to tell it GL float. Okay, so show, okay. So now when we're in here, if game state, then we want to call do show terrain GUI with RT1 and RT2, like that. Okay. And then right up here, we don't need all this ImGUI stuff at the beginning. Take that out. And then we're not going to render and do that. We'll do that in the other thing. Pop font, are we worrying about that? I think we're going to just go like this. And then we're not going to do that because that was bad. In fact, just delete it. Okay, do show terrain GUI. Is this stuff still going to work? Everything? Okay, show tutorial window planet, do show. So this is going to do with every frame. It's only going to do this if show terrain slider is there. Yeah, it might work. Okay, let's see. Oi, the legs. Oof. Okay, where's a planet? Show me the planet. Here's a planet. Over here. Boop. Boop up beep. Okay, so it doesn't show the tutorial. That sucks. But if I hit 5, oh, we broke it all together. Completely broken. I think it's because of process input. And hold on. So when I hit 5, excuse me. Excuse me. So the other thing is when we run do show planet, what does that do? Oh, we do want to do this now. Show tutorial window planet, but we also want to send in that space blocks 1 dot what? T1. That was it. For once, the IntelliSense is good. Microsoft, there you go. Okay, so now it'll work. I believe it'll work. I don't know. I'm unsure. I am unsure. Okay. Okay. What am I doing? Oh, looking for a planet. There we go. This one looks kind of cool. Okay, it shows the tutorial. Hit 5 and it's broken. Broken. Hit 5 and it's broken. Okay, so do show planet, show tutorial window like that. Why does 5 break it when I hit the 5 key? Because it appears to work the way that I want. So, oh, because it's changing from show planet to show terrain slider? Okay, so what does main do? So show planet does this, disables the cursor, transforms show planet. Show terrain slider, I've commented it out. Oh, actually we'll have it back. Actually we will have it back, because then it's not going to get into the do show planet, but we don't need this anymore. because we're already showing, we're already calling do show terrain GUI from within there. So I think that'll do it. I think this'll does it. Okay. Planet. Can I have a planet? A planet? Oh, planet. It looks like it's Earth-like, Captain. Okay. So it shows that, and then it shows that. Okay, so can we do this? Yes. Can we do this stuff, whatever that is? Okay. Can we dismiss? I can't dismiss, but it's fine. So if I go back to space, can I dismiss? Okay. So how come I can't dismiss then? This one. Where's the show tutorial planet, right? Sets it to false. Oh, what's the other one? Hold on. So the reason why that works is because, okay, and then the other one, so what we need to do is right here. Excuse me. So once it's dismissed, it's gone. Excuse me again. If show tutorial planet, then show it. But if you hit this, it sets it to false, and then boom. Okay, so let's see. See if I... Ay, 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 ay. Originally I do save the configuration so the solar system is the same each time you load, but I've got it set to randomize just because. Okay, so there's that and that. Okay, so does this work? Yes, that works. Okay, and then this over here, dismiss. This still works. Okay, we're in business. We're in business. Okay, cool. So then we did the, broke it. Okay, we got it fixed. And we got music. We don't have sound effects, but we do have the music toggle. Maybe a quick sound effect.
Amazing Pop said, "Hello, sir."
Hello. Who goes there? Amazing Bop. Oh, thanks for the follow. Amazing Bop. How are you? What's happening? So I just did that. That's really cool. Let's do something easy because I'm feeling kind of a little tired. It's just so hot here. I think I should brew another espresso. I think I should brew another espresso. What brings you to the channel? If you're interested in chatting, I would like to hear what's happening with you. Okay, Twitch chat logging.
Amazing Pop said, "Not in the best of moods, but I will manage with a nice coding stream." Smiley face.
Not in the best of moods, but I will manage with a nice coding stream. Okay, cool. Sorry you're not in a good mood, dude. I'm not in the best either because it's so hot. It's unbearably hot. but it's getting cooler. I think I
Amazing
can.
Pop said, it happens.
Yeah, I think I can tell.
Wally01 said, same here.
Oh,
Amazing Pop said, it is really hot here too.
oh yeah. See, I got one of these shipping things that they used to ship food to me, and it's just an ice pack really. You can put water in a bag and put it in the freezer, and it's a frozen block of ice sitting right here. So anytime I get too hot, I just move my hand over here and it's just cools me down. Then I put my hands on my knees and it's like it's even too cold. So that could be because I'm regularly doing that without even thinking. So that might be helping. But yeah. So let's see. Let's do Twitch chat logging. So ChatGPT had this code in here. Let's see, where's the Twitch chat logging at? Here it is. Close the log file, modify your existing code, open the log file. What?
Amazing Pop said, I saw some voxel stuff. What are you working on?
Oh yeah, it's a 2D space trader with 3D voxel worlds. So my inspiration was Starport GE and No Man's Sky. Because in Starport GE, it's like a 2D world where you fly around like this. And on No Man's Sky, when you land on the planets, I just thought it'd be cool to do voxel worlds because I can do like the little Minecraft blocks and stuff. So I haven't gotten any of the mechanics yet for the planets, but I do have terrain generation going. I'm going to get some structures going and stuff like that.
Amazing Pop said, this reminds me of a university project I did.
Really cool.
Amazing Pop said, this looks better though.
Well, thank you. That's cool.
Amazing Pop said, laughing face.
Yeah, and I just added in the tutorial here, which is real basic. Oh, it's got a little bullet. I didn't notice that. That's cool. It's from ImGUI. So I was going to do my own GUI, but then I just thought, no, that's too much work. So let's see. But yeah, basically that's what I want to do, and I really love the Minecraft villager mechanic. I also love the idea of a space trader and being able to craft things and the artistic side. Is what I'm trying to say of Minecraft. I really think it's a beautiful game engine. But I don't like all the grind of Minecraft. Like I continually play hardcore Minecraft, and then I quit until once I get to the point where it's just I've done all the
Amazing
stuff that I
Pop
like
said,
to do, you know.
I love Minecraft too.
Oh yeah, Minecraft is amazing. And the modded Minecraft is crazy. But yeah. So let's see. Twitch chat log. Include Fstream. Do I have an Fstream? Oh, that's for files, I think. So do I have Fstream? I do. Oh, that's right, because I load and save stuff already. I already have a loading and saving system. So open an output file stream where you will log all the chat messages. Do this once at the beginning of your program or whenever you start the chat feature. Oh, log file. Okay, this must be append. If log file is open, fail to open log file. Okay, so that just opens it. Ensures the data is appended. Okay, that's good.
Amazing Pop said, do you primarily do C++?
For this project, yes. But I also am doing some HTML and CSS for my this is my community kind of website that I started. Nobody's joined it yet. Nobody's really talked to me about it yet, but I haven't really showed it off that much. And this is my video game that I'm going to list on Steam website. I'm just going to get the website going, a basic website for it, and have a little manual online how to play it and stuff. But mostly I'm doing this, I don't really need to do this. I'm just doing this because I want to practice HTML and CSS and JavaScript. I'm using the W3 Schools Spaces because they're free. It's a free website. And it's really, the Spaces makes it really easy to just modify your website. It's really cool. If you get a chance to sign up and check it out, it's free. I would do that if you're at all interested in a website. If not, save it for the future. Mental note for the future. Don't forget to close log file when your application exits or when you're done with chat logging. Putting it all together, here's how it might look in your main loop. Log file, oh, I see. Initialization and other code. So I can put this, okay. And then chat messages, message, chat message, print to console or GUI. Okay, so right now when I get a message in chat, what happens is, whoops, not that. Uh-oh. Don't do that. What did that do? That wasn't good. Don't do it. Okay, so we were right here. Weren't we right there, I think? Right here? Yeah, right here. So right now when I get a message in chat, it's too much, and we need to parse out just the message. So V, like right here. Like if I type hi, what I want is just that. Actually, it would be good to have, is there a timestamp in here? We could do a timestamp, but it doesn't really matter. I just want this part. Programmer Jeff, hi. I don't want all that other stuff. So, what we want to do, we want to go right after priv message. Everything after priv message would be good. Okay. Whoops, let's exit. Okay. Well, thanks for coming to the stream. Very nice to meet you. Let's see what ChatGPT says about that. Okay, this is all I need right here. That's cool.
Amazing Pop said, do you work on this full time?
At the moment, I am not working, but I plan to go back to work in the next 2 to 3 weeks. So this is my full-time project. I don't spend 8 hours a day working on it, if that's what you mean. Definitely not 40 hours a week, no. But a decent chunk of my time goes into this. Let's see. Whoops, where are we at? Up here. Up here. Okay, so message. So chat messages equals that. Let's see, what is it?
Amazing Pop said, do you do software development professionally?
I do not. I've always been a hobby coder, and this is the first time I'm actually trying to make money with code by selling a video game. Or do chat overlays, because I've got the chat overlay was all mine stuff too. Which was really cool, getting back into JavaScript and stuff. JavaScript is a lot easier. HTML 5.0 is insanely easy now compared to when I started to do web design. Long time ago. Like, I'm an old guy. I'm 50 years old. So let's put this in the code for the initialization. So init do class inits. The game has started. Play an audio file. Client is already working there, so let's go like this. Initialize chat log file. Okay.
Amazing Pop said, there are some great JavaScript frameworks out there too.
JavaScript, yeah, JavaScript has exploded. It used to be something you avoided because it wasn't safe, but now it has exploded, and there's so many things that people are doing with it. It just boggles the mind, actually. So close log file when done. So that'll be when the game is over. Update user accounts. Added now for energy collectors, time-based resource collection. Do cleanup. So let's close the log file there.
Amazing Pop said, JavaScript even runs server-side now.
Really, that's cool. Close log file for chat. Wait, close chat log file. So then, for the message in here, print a console or GUI log to file. Okay. So first of all, let's just make sure this works, and then we'll try to parse out just the message. So string message, chat messages, received message, message. And then if I put it right here, log message to file. Okay, so is it called log file up here? Log file, okay, so that's interesting.
Amazing Pop said, do you want feedback on the code you are writing or do you just want to chat?
Oh. I'm open for anything. Feedback is one of the most important things because I know my code is a mess and my code is all crazy and whatnot, but I'm just trying to get the game up to a demo state, and once I get a decent audience for it, people that are playing it, trying it out, letting me know what they think, you know, then I'm going to start, and especially once I start to make money with it, then I'm going to actually do things like fine-tune the code, refactor the code, come back and make it more like an engine. I'm going to put support for modding the game in there as well too. So let's see, test 1, 2, 3. What's happening? How's it going? So far so good. It did not crash the game. So let's exit. Okay. Oh, it works. Okay, cool. So then let's just parse. Let's delete that. That was easy. So let's parse the You can tell I lean heavily on ChatGPT for my code. It's really accelerated my development of this game, which is why it's
Amazing
just.
Pop said, if you aren't too worried about code quality, I will only comment on errors, etc.
Because yeah, I thought about submitting my code to. So you're like, oh, I'm holding back, bro. Your code's a mess. I understand completely, believe me. But yeah, because I thought about submitting my code to like Cherno or there's another streamer, Strager, which is pretty cool. They seem like they would definitely point me in the right direction for using best practices.
Said, I use ChatGPT4.
Oh, nice. That's awesome. It's pretty cool. It's at first I really didn't understand how to use it, and then I kind of realized that I didn't get it, and I had to figure it out.
Anyone who doesn't is wasting time.
Well, I could see how people would not be able to use it properly because at first I wasn't using it properly. It took a little bit of time to get used to it, and now it seems like it's just like, why wouldn't you use it? It's just so easy, you know. But at first it was not. Save only part of the chat message. You can search for substrings and extract the relevant portion. Here's a update your scenes. Firstly, make sure you include string.
I only write about 30% of the code myself.
Nice. Okay, so position equals message. Okay, so right here. Parsed message. Okay, so we want to just replace the code that I just put in there with... Is that if code block there? Okay, it's right there.
Amazing Pop said, I can spend more time thinking and less time writing. It is truly an amazing tool.
You know, that kind of describes my experience as well. I definitely spend more time thinking. You know, that makes sense because I've noticed that my brain is sharper. My brain is sharper in keeping track of what code goes where. It's more like I'm a code manager, you know, rather than a code writer like I used to be. But I mean, I could still do both, I think. I mean, I do the coding game challenges and stuff too. Find the index of priv message in the message. See, like I do this, I review it to see what it's going to do. If position is not equal to the end of the string, extract the part of the message after priv message. Parsed message equals message substring position plus priv message length. Trim any leading or trailing white space optional. Log the parsed message to the file. Okay, let's see how that works.
Said, it is pretty cool seeing a hobby coder at work.
Cool, yeah. It feels good to actually be a hobby coder coding. Something smells good. I think one of my neighbors is cooking food. I live in a condo, so... Smells good. Food is on the table somewhere. I want another espresso.
Amazing Pop said, I sometimes wish I didn't choose it as a career path.
Really?
Amazing Pop said, too much code is unhealthy. LUL.
That's hilarious. I don't think I've ever really overdone it. So I don't know about too much code. I really don't know what that would be like. Nice, that is so good. See, ChatGPT just boom, boom, boom. You know how long this would have taken me before to do it and to get it working? It would have taken me quite a while. I would be ashamed to tell you the amount of time. It just accelerates. You know, it's like when people use a game engine, it accelerates making a game. When I use ChatGPT, it accelerates writing my code. So it's kind of like a game engine.
Around an hour.
Yeah. This has been an hour and 40 minutes, and I've done so much. It's cool. Like I got through this little list I have here. Twitch chat logging is done. I got music going, basic music, basic tutorial. What else did I do? I think that's it. So maybe I'll work on some of these. Let's see. Display text in the 3D world. Screenshot system. I feel like I could do a screenshot system relatively quickly. What did I tell ChatGPT to do?
Amazing Pop said, are you familiar with Git?
I am familiar with Git, but that is all that there is. I don't use Git. I should for version control and cloud backup. But again, it's on my bucket list. Saving a screenshot. Okay. So what did I say? Please help with the code for this as well. Add screen automated. Automated names for files or user input with ImGUI. Make folder for screenshots. Okay, so certainly. You can add screenshot capability by reading the frame buffer and saving as an image. I know. You can use libraries like that to write. I've done this before. Okay. So,
Amazing Pop said,
do I have
if you aren't too comfortable with the CLI, you can use an app like GitHub Desktop.
Oh, I know. I've actually tried to use Git and I backed out. Let's see. What was it asking? Or what was it looking for? STB image right. That's right. So I have the image. Is that all you have to do? Isn't there some... I think there's another define for that, but let's just put it in. Namespace file system? Don't I have file system already going? No? Oh. Namespace. Save screenshot. Save to disk. User interface for screenshot. Screenshot name. Oh, there's a button. Cool. Generate file name. Oh. Is it using a timestamp? Milliseconds? What? Main loop. Screenshot UI. Setup and cleanup. Make sure to initialize ImGUI and you have to for the main clean them up after in this example. Reads the frame buffer, saves it as a PNG using STB image right. The show screenshot UI function provides a basic ImGUI interface. Checks the screenshots folder exists and creates it if it doesn't. Allows for either automated or user-defined screenshot names. Integrate these functions into your existing application. You should be able to take screenshots through the ImGUI interface. Okay, so ImGUI. Do I have all those? Pretty sure I... Where's the ImGUI stuff? Yeah, up here. Okay. IOStream, FStream, SStream, string, chrono and file system. I don't think I have. Plus this namespace. Let's just get that. I guess we can just put it in here. Does this go down at the bottom? I feel like it should. Let's go down here. Twitch integration. Let's just put it here since it's a new thing. Saving a screenshot, so there's a whole function, takes a file path, and then does that. What is this? Read pixels, flip vertically? What are you doing? Oh, okay. Save to disk. Okay. So this is save screenshot. Interesting. This is so wild just to have ChatGPT put together this code and it just... So void save screenshot const std string. Okay, and this one, window get frame buffer size. Hold on. There it is. Does that work? Okay.
Amazing Pop said, what do you do for a living if I may ask?
Oh, well, for about 20 years I did front desk at a hotel because I live in a tourist area right on the ocean. Like I'm half a block from the beach right now. Then for a while I worked at the local casino down here as a IT guy. I worked on the slot machines and the computer system, like the network and stuff. So I kind of did everything, which was really awesome. I did that for about 6 years. Then after COVID, I went back as a security guard. This is a long story short. I went back as a security guard for 4 months, and then I was a employee dining room attendant for 4 months. And everybody was like, "It's so weird seeing you work in security and work in the dining room when you should be working on our computers." So that was really weird, but yeah. And then I just quit like at the beginning of August because I got sick and I built up points and they were gonna fire me with just automated point system. But I wasn't really worried either because I own the house that I live in and I almost own my car and stuff. I have like very little debt and stuff. So I'm gonna go back in a couple of weeks here and
Amazing
before my
offset. Diverse experience.
yeah.
Amazing offset. Surprised face.
Yeah. So it was interesting because I had 20 years of customer service experience and then I worked in IT. And most IT people are really egocentric and they're inhibited. They're not really customer people, customer oriented people. So I was exactly the opposite of that. I'm super outgoing with people. As strangers are better friends to me than my friends because I can instantly hit up a conversation with people no matter what, and so here I am working on their stuff that needs, fixed, and yeah.
Amazing offset. I am not a customer person. That is for sure. Amazing offset. LUL.
it takes a lot of it takes a lot of repetitive being nice to people. It takes a lot of practice. And one of the weirdest things about it was whenever somebody was a real, now they call it, it's a meme, they say Karens or whatever. Whenever guys were really mean or girls, because I worked at a
Amazing
hotel.
offset. You seem like a very likable guy.
Well, thank you. But whenever somebody was like really like not nice to deal with, I would literally have to reset and I would need somebody to come along so that I could be nice to them and have a really good interaction with them and it would like reset me and stuff. It was really weird, but yeah, it was pretty cool. Learning how to work with, be nice to literally anybody, even people that aren't nice to you. It's quite an interesting, what do you call it, skill. I'm still Facebook friends with a lot of people who are my age who work in retail, and I just feel for them because they post these memes, and it's like, yeah, I used to do that, I know, but I don't do it anymore. It was nice working in IT because I was back of the house most of the time, didn't really interact with customers, not very often, but when I did, it was kind of a refresher. But let's see. So screenshot UI. I wonder how this works. I guess I'm just going to throw it in there and see what it does. So copy code. So does this call ImGUI? So do we need to put this in with the... I'm wondering how we'll do this. ImGUI code. Okay, so what we could do is just put this in process input. And okay, hold on. Oh, it doesn't take any parameters. Right, okay. I think that'll pop out of it in a second. Okay, it's fine. So let's go down to process input. Wait, I'll probably forget the name of this in a second, so let's copy and paste that. Where's process input? And what are we doing, a screenshot here? Okay. So let's choose a key for the screenshot. 0 sounds good. Why not? Why not? We'll just call that. But it says that we have to do all this other stuff before it too, so. I think that'll work. I don't know what this does, but it might have some... Like it'll go into the 0. And yeah, let's just see what it does. Let's see what it does. Should I be worried about that? Oh, I messed up. What did I do? Unresolved external symbol. I knew there was something for that. STB right. STB. What is it? Hold on. I think I've got it in my thing here. So I export all of my Twitch VODs to YouTube. And this is my, here we go. Oh, did I have it in the main space arena 3D 2? Hold on a second. Which one is that? Main space arena 3D 2. Okay. Here it is. Image right implementation. That's what we need. I knew there was something. ChatGPT doesn't know that, but apparently doesn't know that. This is going extremely well. Okay, let's take a screenshot. Just hit the 0. Oh, there was something there. What happened? Did it do it? I don't know what it did. What did it do? It must have put something in here. Oh wait, did it do a new... It said it was going to put it into a new folder. Oops. What did you do, ChatGPT? Screenshots. Take screenshot. If not exists, create directory. So it's just called screenshots? I don't see it anywhere in here. Is it in here? No. No. Screenshots? I don't see it. It didn't do it. So what happened? So let's go down here to, let's see, okay, so right in here. I didn't see this. So it's just the 0 and then it calls this. I don't understand why it would crash then. Show screenshot UI. I was just there. Custom name, char buffer, buffer, custom name, string, size of buffer, string copy, buffer, size of buffer, -1 equals 0. Screenshot name, buffer, size of buffer, custom name equals buffer. Input text. Check if the screenshot folder exists. If none, create it. Well, I saw the ImGUI blip up there. And there's no... Oops. Oops. Again. Yeah, it's just the chat log, and that's empty. Okay. Huh. Well, that's the first thing we did that didn't work. Okay, so see what it says. To save screenshots with incremental numbers, you can maintain a counter that keeps track of the numbers of screenshots taken so far. Each time you take a screenshot, increment the counter, use the value, name the new screenshot file. I can do it. Starting simple is often a good idea, yeah. Oh, there it's got the right implementation in there. See, I wonder sometimes if it's really watching me do my code. You know what I'm saying? I wonder if it's watching me do the code. Because that's hilarious right there. That is hilarious.
Amazing Pop said, do you use the paid version?
Yeah, this is ChatGPT4. The ChatGPT4 just switched. They used to have a certain number of messages that you could send, and now you can just send unlimited messages. But we get lags like this in the network all the time. Although today has been really, really good. But usually what it'll do, it'll pause like this, and then if it's really bad, it will completely crash. But then as soon as you refresh it, it comes back and the conversation is finished. So all it takes is a refresh. But I'll be right back. I'm going to go stretch my legs while ChatGPT figures this out.
Oh, see, it just did it. So let's just hit F5 there. And it's done. Okay. Alright, so save screenshot changes. Okay. What happened? Okay, that was weird. Computer, that's not what I'm copying. That's not what I'm copying. Why, computer? Why? Why? Ay, 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 ay. I blame Microsoft, that's all. I should blame OpenAI. This one, let's just comment that out. I should just, yeah, comment that out. What else? What else? You can call this function inside your main loop when the screenshot key is... oh, F12, that's a good idea. I just use 0, but it's all good. Save the screenshot. Width, height, get frame buffer size. Okay. So we'll go down to process input. The 0. Oops, don't do that. There we go. So let's see if it does that then. Do I have all the right includes and stuff? Sing and do a diddy diddy dum diddy do. What? Unresolved external symbol. Oh. What's the unresolved external symbol save screenshot? Gulp. Oh. Oh, really? Did I do that? Save screenshot. I called it 2. So let's take this one out. Oops. Is it takes what's this now? We're not going to use this at the moment. Not sure why it's freaking out, but we're going to take it out. I think my eyes are starting to go. We may have to end stream whether this works or not. Hopefully it works. Let's just... Oh?
Amazing Pop said, no worries sir.
Oh, we get a blank screen. We got a blank screen. That's weird. Why would we get a blank screen? Because it's in blank? Ah. Well, that didn't work. Well, I thought I've done screenshots before. I can look at my code and redo it again, but I thought ChatGPT would make it so easy for me. That one was very complicated and it didn't work. Alright, well, like I said, my eyes are going. I'm going to end the stream here. Thanks for tuning in. Very nice to talk to you. Amazing. Very cool. Nice to meet you. Oh, I would say look for me again next stream, but I don't know when that's going to be. Could be in about an hour. Could be in about 12 hours. I have no idea. This whole not working thing.
Hope to see you around.
Yeah, this join my Discord. I'm actually getting into using Discord on a daily, more regular daily basis. I've never really used Discord. It seems awkward and complicated with all kinds of features, similar to how I feel about VS Code. However, I did a little bit of looking around and I feel a little bit more comfortable. So yeah, if you want to join the Discord, let me invite people. Maybe I should put this link. Copy. I should probably put that down in my Twitch stuff. But yeah, hop in there and say hi every once in a while. Or darn, I wish that screenshot thing would have worked. That'd have been what, 3 things I would have gotten working. So now I gotta delete a bunch of code. Maybe I could do that real quick. Just delete all this crud that doesn't work. So I wonder why it doesn't work. Let's delete this. Read pixels. Flipped pixels. Weird. A vector of unsigned char. Oh, okay. I don't know why it uses a vector. You're not pushing and popping anything. You're just, it's a, you know. And if I'm writing a PNG, doesn't it have to be RGBA? Columns 3 times width, RGB. I don't know. So then wouldn't this be 4 times width? And then rows, pixels, all that times columns. And is this one? And then what's this? XY comp. I don't know what comp is. Data, stride bytes. Write PNG to mem. Oh, it doesn't say. Okay, alright, I got you. So much for understanding that. Oh, pixels. 3 times width times height. 4. Couldn't hoit. Let's give it a try. Couldn't hoit. I don't know why that offset wouldn't just show complete random noise. It wouldn't show a completely black screen, but we'll try it before we go here. 0. Escape. Oh, we got some noise that time. Interesting. We'll have to look at that again. Like I said, I've already done screenshots, so I can look at my code and put it in. Okay. Well, thanks again. Nice to meet you.